hope you guys are doing great. So today I have some new contact lenses here from TTDeye. You guys know all is long I've been working with them and they sent me new styles. So I'm going to share them with you guys. In case you don't know how to apply contact lenses, I have a video for that. Don't worry. I'm going to link the video here so that you watch it, how you can apply your contact lenses so easy, and how you can remove it without any problem. They are colored contact lenses from TTDeye. They sent 4 sizes to me. Some glinters. These are the 2 they added to it. It came with 4 cases and a mirror. Okay, we're just going to dash straight to the video because I don't want to waste time. This one is seen different. Oh, you can see this. Oh, let me come so that you guys see the difference. This looks so natural. I so much love this one. I so much love it. It looks so natural. It just looks like my natural eyes, and it has this kind of green tone on it. Wow, this is great. This is great. Oh, I love this. I love this. I love this. I love it because of the natural look. Can you feel the difference? I can feel the difference. Guys, I really like this one. I like this one. It looks so natural. It looks charming. You can see. Ooh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I always tell you guys, you cannot go wrong with contact lenses. With contact lenses, if you are in 0 degree, 10 degree before, it's going to take you to 100, and that is it. I'm feeling this vibe. Feeling it. All right, sister. Okay, tell me, what do you see? You feel this? You feel this? Wow. I love this. This one is the pearl gray. This is pearl gray. Ooh, this look charming. It has this kind of cat's eye charm. All right. Ooh, I love this. I love this. Can you feel this? This one looks different from the first one, which is seen difference. This one has this kind of charming, you understand? That's the kind of charm this one has. Okay, I like it. I like it. You see this one? This one is the polar light blue. It has this kind of sky blue inside. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. This is gorgeous, guys. I love this. I like this one, the kind of charm that it gives you. Turns my eyes, like you see, it's like sky blue. Oh, I love this. This is stunning. This is stunning. Oh, I love this. I love it so much. I think among all I have tried, I really love this one. I love the rest, but I love this one so much. This one is so gorgeous. Just look at my eyes. Look at how stunning, beautiful, gorgeous. Guys, if you want to get these contact lenses, I will advise you to take this one. First order this one, okay? I love this one so much. I love all the styles this time around. The new styles they just brought out now. I really like them. I like this one. I like the blue inside. What a blue girl, the moon girl. Feeling it. All right. Okay, I'm going to try the last one. Fortunately, the last one, that's what I want to try because they just sent 4 to me, and I must tell you guys, I love them. I love this one with blue tone. I really love it. Oh, see the shine give me. Wow, this is beautiful. This is stunning. This is stunning. This is gorgeous. Sis, this is gorgeous. Sis, this is gorgeous. Oh, sister, can you feel this? Can you feel this? Can you feel this? So guys, this is the last one. This one is the lemon brown. What do you think? What do you think? I still feel the vibe. Yes. I feel the vibe. Yes. I feel the vibe. Yes. Woo. So guys, that is it for this contact lenses from TTDeye review. I like all the styles and I hope you guys like them as well. I'm going to leave the link to each one on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. I was able to secure a discount code for you guys as well, which I'm going to leave on the description box. So use that code, you'll get some percentage off your purchase. Alright, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remember, just as always. Remember, just as always. Bye. Ciao.